Now, one of the things you can use QR codes for is to get reviews of your website on the internet. So you can get people, your customers, to leave good reviews, which will help other people who are thinking about being customers be persuaded and decide they're going to buy. So QR codes are very, very good. You can get them to appear on a till receipt or an invoice or something like that. And then what happens is they scan the QR code, they're taken through to the review site where they're ready to leave a review. They leave a review, you then provide them with a thank you, which could be a discount code or something like that. So it's very, very good. A lot of people still look for reviews online before they make buying decisions. So this is very, very good to help ensure that you get people to buy from you. So what you can do is you can offer a reward. So they leave a review and you would give them a 10%, 20%, 15% discount, whatever it is, of their next purchase. Now obviously what's that going to do for you? It means that they are much more likely to return because they're going to want to use their coupon. People love coupons and they will want to use it. So you can do that. Now, one thing you can do is you can do this by combining Google Places with QR codes. Now, if your client hasn't got a Google Places listing, then now is the perfect opportunity for you to sell it to them, and they really could do with one. It's very good way for people to be found locally. If you've ever searched for something locally to you, or with a geographic location in it, you'll see the local place results that come up. So combining the two is very, very good. If you go into Google Places, there's an option that's called Share Your Places with Customers, and under there you can actually print a QR code poster which takes people to there. So it's very, very important. But what you have to do, particularly with the Google Places, is you have to make sure that the QR code is actually going to work. There have been instances where the QR code hasn't worked as well as we'd have liked, and obviously that causes shall we say, a few problems if it's not done properly. So you know, it's a good way of doing it, and you know, this is a way to get positive reviews attached to your website, which of course is going to help people make a buying decision. One of the best websites to use is a place called insiderplaces.com. It's basically it's a review website where they are picked up by Google pretty quickly. You know, Google will come there, they'll pick it up, and then it will be attached to your Google Places review. Now, one of the real benefits of it is it integrates with Facebook, which, as we all know, everybody loves. Facebook really is flavour of the month at the moment. So, yeah, a lot of people will appreciate that because it's very easy for them to use. It also has a minimum review length of 100 characters, which obviously is no bad thing because, you know, it's going to help people to leave a review. If they've got to write, you know, 500-word review, a lot of people aren't going to be bothered, are they? But something like this, where it's very simple, it's 100 characters, people are much more likely to leave a review than they would otherwise. So, a very, very good one to use. But this is a great way for your customers to get reviews of their business, you know, which will help making sales. You know, it's, you think about internet marketing for a minute, where you get sales letters. What do you have in a sales letter? We have testimonials. What do the testimonials do? They provide social proof to people, which obviously, what does that do? That helps people to make the buying decision because they have that social proof that it works, it's good, and so they're much more likely to buy. If you ever try doing a sales letter without any of this, then you'll find without testimonials, a sales letter is going to struggle to make sales. And having a website with reviews on the internet is going to make it a lot easier for people to actually make money, you know, and appreciate it. So it is important to get these reviews in. But what you do with the QR code is put it everywhere you can, on emails, till receipts, invoices, YouTube videos. Last bit of YouTube videos. You can put it on your website. You can put it on pretty much anything. Because people are going to scan it, and if you can get these reviews, it's going to help you to make sales, because people will see a positive review and they're going to be 10 times more likely to actually buy, because they're going to look at the review and go, yeah, that's good, I'm interested. It's obviously worked for somebody else, I'm interested in it myself. Customer reviews are effectively testimonials, by a different name. So very, very important for us to do that. So it will help significantly if you can use them, and it's going to add a lot of weight to the Google Places listing. It's going to help get your Google Places listing much higher up, which of course is going to mean more sales for you, which obviously is important. So it's going to help your clients. So combining these two together proves to be very, very effective, and obviously it's a great way to sell. If they haven't got a Google Places listing, you, the expert, can sell it to them, combine it with the QR code, get them the reviews, and show them the improvement in their business, which of course means that they're going to love you forever and really want to make sure that they give you business. They're going to be falling over themselves to give you money, because they're going to see a fantastic result, which of course is what they're after. So it's very important for you to mix these two together. Use QR codes to help people leave reviews. What you can do is you can have different QR codes in different places. A QR code on a till receipt may take people to a different place to a QR code that's on, say, the side of a van. And it's important that you realize this, and you help your clients to understand this difference and to use it to their benefits, because by having the different QR codes in different places is going to mean some sort of pretty big benefits to them, really, because they can really benefit from them. You don't want every single QR code everywhere taking them to the same place. People who have bought are more likely to want to leave a review than somebody who's just browsing for information, because obviously they're not in a position to leave a review. So a QR code on a till receipt is going to lead people to a review, whereas a QR code on, say, let's say on a brochure is going to take them to somewhere with some information. So you can see there is a difference in expectations in what the QR codes do. So it's important for you to realize that and work with your clients to make sure that they have that difference and that it works for them.